This is Messenger. So this is where you can receive your direct message. How do you get to this? So if you want to message, let's say, yeah, I'm the one here. You just need to go to. I don't have any message here. You want to send a DM to anybody? You just need to get to the profile. I just use another page. Yeah, profile. This is profile. User profile. Don't click on this. This is direct. Using mail client. This is calling from the web app. You have to get to this view. Then choose this. Send DM. Yeah. Now, the beauty of this is, let me go to this messenger. So nothing is here, no message. There's no message at all. Okay. Invitation to test my web app. Okay. We just launched our web app created for businesses. Because of our time, I will stop here. Now you have maximum of normal photo, all that pages. You can add your file attachment. This is for photo. This is for, let's say, video, other non-images. Let me just add these two or these three. I'll just choose the first three. Yes. Wait for it to upload. It's a real-time upload. Then maybe you have other. Let's say you're sending zip file. I just want to zip this one now. Zip file. Quotes. So I'm choosing this. It can be a PDF, it can be a zip file, it can be image, no, not image, video, audio, whatever. Any other file, but it's optional. It's not a must. Send. So the user needs to come here and notation. So now there's a very powerful, let me show you what I mean. For Messenger, you can know when a user read your message. This is a received message. You want to see your sent message, you go here. So the user have not read it. There's no tick. So once the user clicks this, yeah, it will show you, see, 3 images, 1 file. Refresh. Yeah, this tick is that you have read it. So let's do the reply. Rotation. Okay. Now the beauty of these two conversation now, because I opened the two accounts, I can talk to each other. Now this is the sender, this is the receiver. Yeah, this guy here, and maybe is the receiver. So they can actually chat in real time. Live is actually live. Yeah, you can actually attach it as if you wish to, but not, let's say, I'm interested. See what I'm talking about? These are, you can actually view it or download it. Let's say you want to download the file, it downloads real time. This is what I mean. It downloads real time. Alright. You can view it maybe to get a better picture of it. For this one, you download only for zip files. Okay, let's say I am interested. Kindly send me your quotation. Okay, watch what will happen on this side. So it's actually live real time. It's really real time. So I'm replying this. So the user will refresh in the page, you will see the reply here. You will get the full details in 2 minutes. Okay. Let's see, I want to add an image. Okay, let's just see what I can do that. Yeah. I just want to add an image. Then add a video. Just add a video. Okay, let's a video. Just like one of my demos. Okay, let me just use the creation limit. It's just a video. Yes, you can actually play videos, audio. Yeah, right here. So is to help users interact with each other. So you can actually play the video.
Okay, we are here to run a test.
Yeah, you see what I'm talking about. So you can actually receive it immediately, view the file in real time, all that. So it is a fascinating feature. Yeah, that is for the admin side. How do admin handle direct messages? So these direct messages here. Refresh. This is the admin. Yeah, one can ask, what about the privacy concern? Yeah, the user can actually do anything much here. It's just for you to regulate the what's it called, the backlog of messages that people may be sending. Clear it up and all that. Direct replies. These are the replies given by each message. So it will tell you from which person what message is being replied, number of images, in case some people are abusing, maybe send a lot of loads of unnecessary files. So you can actually use it as a help desk if you want. So if necessary, whichever you think this violates the privacy concern, you let us know in the comment section. We may put something, a restriction to it, because user privacy concern is of importance. So on to the next, we'll be looking at contact form. Contact form is another